that's nice. That's much better. Phone, wallet, keys. We good. Good day, everybody. Wednesday. Yeah, I got just over 48 hours remaining in Sturgis. Yeah, I can't believe it already. You look forward for this for so long, and it's already almost over. The party bus. Party. We gonna party. So, I think today I'm going to hit the big three. I'm going to do Sturgis. I'm going to go Needles. I'm going to do Iron Mountain Road, and I am going to do. Speaking of which, let me. No, that's my text messages. I don't need you. No, I cannot find you. There you are. Let me open this up. Oh, you got to be shitting me. I reset my phone, so shit's not showing up. So I gotta re-log into that. It ain't gonna be as easy as I hoped it would be. The Thunderdome. I wish I would have went over there yesterday and saw Jasmine Kane, but I didn't. I just stayed at the rig and socialized with the neighbors and had fun. So like I said, today's goal is to do the big three. That back wrist feels so much better now. This morning I got my first reminder for my first middle school baseball game of the year that I have next Wednesday. It's like, yep, here we go. The season is coming at you really quick. Friday morning I'll get a reminder for my football scrimmage, so it's like, yep, that's great. right, well, at some point this thing conked out on me before I got to Rapid, so yeah, Banneker and Nemo Road going to Rapid, pretty damn good ride, better than 990. Yeah, it takes longer, but you know, it's worth it. I'll pick this up after I turn off on the 16A, or I should say after I turn, get past Keystone and hit Iron Mountain and go through I might actually do the wildlife loop load. I don't know yet. We'll see. Alright, just turned on the Iron Mountain Road. Here we go, up the hill. Alrighty, so gas tank's full. My drink tank is full. Let's get back to the park and hit Needles Highway, because yeah. Oil is still perfectly full, which is good, so the rings are seated nice. And I mean, the dipstick was still reading completely full, and you know, I've had what, just under 1,000 miles, so she is not using anything right now, which means these rings are happy. So let us get to the Needles Highway. I'm going to try to stop a couple times on the highway, probably at a couple of the, you know, scenic views and whatnot, and yeah. Campground. So new that they don't even have the damn grass planted. You just point at them as you drive by, and they normally just wave at you. I think that's good for like 2 weeks. I'd be willing to bet that this 2 weeks here probably brings in most of the non, you know, probably if it brought in half of the revenue of if you told me that the rally brings in half the revenue of the entire Parks Department for yeah, if you told me it brought in half the public revenue, you know, the non-government revenue from the South Dakota Parks Department, I'd believe it. I don't know why I couldn't spit it out. Meanwhile, you got this guy doing, yeah, I don't know what he's doing. Forward to this thing for so long, and I'm going to go ahead and probably I'm going to put down the deposit for next year, because it would be nice to get maybe a different spot, but you know, the only downside of the spot I got is I got all the sun beating through my windows. Yeah, that's it. That's the only downside of the spot I got. Other than that, the spot I got's fine. It'd be nice if it was on the other side, just because I'd have less window coverage. That'd be fighting. Look out. Working my life on the highway patrol. I wouldn't mind tomorrow if I did go back to Black Hills Harley, or even downtown, but probably Black Hills Harley, just because it's less of a cluster, you know what, with the demos. I wouldn't mind going over there and doing and test riding the Road Glide, just to say I did. I've never liked the way that they look. You know. gotta be honest, at this point, I wouldn't buy a new bike. Nope. You know, last year it would have made some sense. Once I made a determination, yeah, I wasn't going to do a cam. Man, if you're towing a camper down Needles and Iron Mountain Road, good luck. They got the right idea. Just sitting on the flipping rocks. That's a good one. Oh boy, damn. Did that again. Oh. Stupid fucking foot peg.